She's starting to fuss a little bit. Alright, this is take 2 on making a baby taco. Baby was a little hungry last time around, so she is adequately fed. Hopefully she does not barf in the taco, because that would be very bad. Kiss the baby before we do. Kiss, kiss. Into the taco we go. Baby's looking pretty pleased, pretty happy. Alright, we got our straps all set up. Taco. Toot, toot, toot. We got the baby. Baby seems to be holding up okay. Baby's making happy faces.
Please, baby.
Please, baby, make happy faces. If we don't do this now, we may not be able to get out for a walk today. Let's see here. Gotta kind of thread her through here. Whoops. You do not want to drop the baby. Then you just clip. Snap. Hair out of the way. And we're good to go.
Alright, let's get a close-up of baby taco.
Baby taco. Eating her arm.
Eating her arm.
Apparently still needs more to eat.
But happy. Happy as a
But
clam.
she's pretty happy. Happy as a taco.
Alright, and done in half the time
Oh, there you
this
go.
time.
There you see her face.
Yep.
Yeah, so the moral of the story is, don't do a taco with a hungry baby. Doesn't work.
Good moral. Okay, signing off.
Sign off. Say bye-bye.
Say
Her eyes
bye.
are open.
Bye, baby taco.